Sino ang papalit kay Ombudsman Mercedes Gutierrez? Good morning, Maring Winnie.
Good morning.
Anong basa mo rito?
Well, alam nyo, mga kapuso, tingnan natin, ha? The Office of the Ombudsman has been there for 21 years.
Oh.
Ang laki-laki ng powers ng Ombudsman. Dismissal, suspension, filing of cases, etc., records, pati bank records yan. Maraming pera ang Ombudsman. Since 2003, I think tumaas ang budget ng Ombudsman by 3 times. So, malakas ang poder, maraming resources. Eh kung ganon, bakit since 21 years, or at least since nagme-measure tayo ng corruption, tumataas po ang level ng corruption dito sa Pilipinas. So, something is wrong, is it not? It cannot be the power, it cannot be the money, it must be the Ombudsman himself or herself. Bakit po? Ayan, kasi ang pag-choice, nakikita nyo yung 4 na ombudsman natin, with the possible exception of Conrado Vasquez, the first ombudsman. Eh yan, choice ng ombudsman yan has been very politically tainted. At saka yung taong napapasok dyan sa ombudsman, eh meron ng utang na loob sa appointing power. In other words, is there to protect the power or to go against the opposition. Yes, it's so politically inclined. So the choice of that ombudsman is very, very important to us. Eh medyo nanghihinay, alam mo, and who chooses the ombudsman? Well, the one who gives yung listahan sa presidente is yung tinatawag natin Judicial and Bar Council. Medyo palpak rin yung Judicial and Bar Council. Ang dami nilang binigay, tapos ganyan pa rin. Si Aniano Desierto. Eh, si Sani Marcelo was, alam natin, hindi ba? Kakampi ng presidente yan. Kaya lang, he wanted to do a good job and then he
pressure time,
umalis na lang siya rather than follow what he knew was wrong.
Order sa kanya.
Eh, hindi pwede yan. Kailangan natin yung independent po yung ating ombudsman. Kailangan ma-choose natin yung hindi politically affiliated at saka hindi lang competent as a lawyer. Kailangan good manager. Because if you don't have a good manager with 1.8 million government employees, you have to decide who you're going to get at first.
Hindi ba pwedeng dayuhan? Kasi pag Pinoy, laging may connect sa palasyo eh.
Ay, hindi po.
Kamag-anak ni ganito, kamag-anak ni ganyan, di ba?
Kailangan yung tao, yun, even if they know they're very good friends, pero kailangan independent at alam ng tao na independent.
Okay. Baka kasama natin live, Senator Francis Chis Escudero. Ex-officio, tama ba? Ex-officio ng Judicial and kamusta yung lista? Kamusta yung lista?
Ano ka ba, Chis, nung pinili niyo si Mercedes Gutierrez?
Wala pa po ba? Wala pa.
You were not part?
Hindi pa. Yung JBC, binubuhay ng 8 tao.
Okay.
Isa galing sa private sector, si Justice Lagman. Isa galing sa retired mga justices, si Justice Hermosissima.
Nako.
Ang Supreme Court Chief Justice.
Mabuti nga nasa mid ka.
Ang
Dahil sa pangalan. Dahil sa pangalan.
kinatawan mula sa Akadim, si Attorney Mejia. Ka-appoint lamang sa kanya. Kinatawan mula sa IBP, si Mitoy Fernan. Kinatawan mula sa...
Recommended by IBP ba yan? Recommended. Okay.
Always recommended by the IBP. From a list of 3, tapos pipili po ang Pangulo. Senado ako, Kongreso si Junjun Tupas, DOJ si Laila de Lima. Wala.
Yeah, okay. Ngayon, itong si Mejia, ano ba ang kanya, I've never heard. In other words, I know of deans, etc., etc., and then I never heard of Mejia. Yung pala yung Mejia, kaklase pala ni Ochoa. Ano ba ang klase yan? I mean, can you please tell me, who recommends? Is there an association of deans of law school? Meron namang ganun eh. Hindi ba? Bakit Mejia? I never heard of that person.
Hindi ko kabisado kung ano yung proseso pagdating sa Akadim. Pero dadaan naman ho yan sa Commission on Appointments.
Ito ang JBC?
Yes.
Dadaan.
Dadaan sa Commission on Appointments. Ang dating pinalitan ni Mejia ay si Justice Toquero.
Oo.
Pero hindi siya nakaupo dahil in-appoint habang message na ang Kongreso.
Talaga, ha? Okay. Well, ano
Parang allergic ka na sa kaklase, ah.
No. Listen.
Oo.
Sabi ko, sino yon? Hindi ba, usually, yung mga
credentials.
May mga names, hindi ba? all of a sudden, napaka-importante ang JBC.
Sino yun? Oh.
Kasi hindi lang po yung ombudsman ang ikuha nila, kung hindi yung Supreme Court, Court of Appeals, even the judges, hindi ba?
All judges.
JBC. All judges. Can you imagine the power of that JBC and the responsibility? And then you get somebody, and the only thing you know, I don't know what his detail is, but I know immediately somebody said, ay kaklase ni
Kaklase ni-
Ochoa yan. Ayun ang primary qualification. Paano naman
I
yan?
think he used to teach, or he's teaching still at LaSalle. at
Well,
LaSalle
Jesus,
College.
there are so many deans, so many people
Yeah.
of great reputation. Father Bernas, for example, academ, hindi ba? O, bakit hindi yung ganun ang pinipili? Ang pinipili.
So, ibig sabihin, yung composition pa rin ng pipili, medyo questionable na rin.
Ay, nako talaga naman. Pero, okay.
Man.
Let's just see, Senator Escudero. Ang mga civil society naghihingi na pwede ba yung proseso is transparent.
I-televise daw.
The interview must be open the same way as you would have in the Senate, US Senate, for example, when they
Yung commission appointments.
are commission appointments, when they are vetting the justices. It's all open.
Pwede
Can
ba
it
daw
not
ho yun?
be? Kasi nung 1998, sinabi na ng
Ang sistema ang inubutan ka na, Maring Winnie, yung interview ay open sa publiko, pero hindi nila live coverage. Kumaga, walang camera sa loob na live coverage. Pero open maski na sinong nais.
Yeah, pero
magpunta.
we're 92 million, 94 million people.
About
There are
100,
so many people at this point. So many people want to know kasi the ombudsman is so important. Why can it not be live coverage? Why not? I mean, it's not a trial, for God's sake. Di ba trial, baka, the rights of the defendant might be...
Iba yata epekto pag may camera eh.
Mas humahaba yung tanong.
Di ba, parang mas,
pero hindi mga politiko ito nga JBC with the possible exception of the senator and the
congressman.
congressman. The rest are not. They're not going to. Wala naman silang, I hope, political ambitions. So there's
Baka mga
going to
tatlo,
be...
apat.
Baka mag-grandstanding.
Ang hinihingi po is live interview open to the public. Number two, the reasons for voting are going to be there. Hindi pwede yung tayo-tayo yung bulong-bulungan.
Nagsimula na ho kami, Maring Winnie, mula nung... actually, napasok ako sa JBC even under the last administration. Nagbotohan uli kami kasi nagbago yung komposisyon eh. Na gawing... Sa publiko, yung boto ng kada individual, kada member, dahil may balota na eh.
Okay.
At
Pero
saka
may
sa publiko
scoring
yung
system
balota.
kasi independence, probity.
Sino na ba lumulutang ngayon na papalit?
Wala pa igan
Wala
dahil sa ngayon sa sistema at sa proseso, pinublish namin yung vacancy last Friday. Nagbigay ng 10 araw ang JBC para mag-apply o mag-nominate ng kung sino man. At kung sino man yung mag-apply at mag-nominate, yun yung listahang sasalain namin initially kung nagko-comply sa requirement ng saligang batas.
And you don't want to, yung JBC itself cannot, yung babang motu proprio,
No.
look at these things.
No, the JBC is a passive body, ma'am. We just wait for those who want to apply, who will be nominated. From that list, sasalain namin kung
At saka i-choose nyo.
40 years old ba sila, natural born citizen,
Oo, pero meron rin, hindi ba? Meron rin experience, meron probity.
of proven
anong-
competence and probity,
Yeah. How are
10
you going
years
to
in the
judge
practice of
probity?
law.
How are you going to say this man has probity or this man has independence or this woman?
Not yet mo. Wala pa kami doon. Papublish muna namin. For 15 days, bibigyan ng publiko ng pagkakataon na magkomentaryo, o ito magnanakaw to, ito mabait to, ito magaling to. Lahat yung inputs na yan, kukunin. Tapos, bago pa yung interview, mag-psychiatric test.
Ganon.
Buti naman
Meron
sigurado.
background check?
Meron din
May
po.
background
ang
check?
JBC.
Okay.
Buti na yung sigurado.
Pwede ko ba
psychiatric
i-recommenda si Winnie Monsod na ombudsman? Ha? Pwede ba? Kahit ako.
Kailangan abogado eh.
Kailangan abogado.
Ayun lang hindi ko alam kung bakit. Because all you need to do is be a good manager. Kasi
Kaya nga.
ang dami mong abogado.
Pag hindi ka abogado, mas makikita mo.
Oy, talaga. Diyos ko. Excuse me na lang. I don't know these people. Kasi lahat kayo mga
Ma'am, nasa
abogado.
Constitution yan.
Alam ko.
Ni lahat. Lahat kayo mga abogado. May matino na mga abogado.
Ma'am, kung bawas-bawasan yung abogado, ma'am. Tingin niyo, mas maganda
Okay.
yung...
No, I think so. I mean, you better have a good manager there. That's for sure.
Okay. Senador, maraming salamat.
Thank you.
Senador
Good luck,
Jesus
sweetie.
Escudero.
Ha? Please, you
Yes,
have to
ma'am.
choose a good... Tayo muna, one last question. When you are sitting there, binubulong-bulungan ba kayo? Does anybody come to you and say,
Oy, okay
Senator,
na. Oh,
pwede
ayan.
bang,
Ma'am,
Admit.
among the members, ma'am, wala. Among the
No,
members.
no, but yung mga
Hindi, yun na, galing
kandidato
sa labas.
mismo, yung kumakampanya.
Ako, ma'am, kasi mula nung naging JBC member ako,
Walang kumausap.
simula't simula, in-impose kong rule na bawal. Kasi ma'am, ang dami nag-iimbita sa akin magkape, mag-lunch, mag-merienda mula nung naging JBC ako. So,
But you
ayun
yourself
naman.
say, nobody can talk to me.
Nobody,
Dapat
no
eh.
candidate, no
Miski
candidate
telepono.
or nominee.
Dapat
I refuse
sacred
to-
yung posisyon nila, di ba?
okay.
Ma'am, mahirap eh, kasi pag sinimulan niyo ng ganun, lahat lalapit lahat.
Kung
Okay.
tinawagan
Kung
na-
kayo tumawag sa akin, halimbawa.
Oo.
Maringini.
Kunyari, ma'am, kunyari.
Maringini. Oh, 8:30 lang kami.
Maraming salamat.
Malilate ka na sa misa. Mauna ka na.
Okay.
Maraming salamat. Unang balita na tayo.